Of all the air movers that I bought, of these VEVORs, this is the only box that had some damage here, but they're packed very well, so there was no issues with the air mover. And this was the large air mover. Today, guys, I want to take a look at these air movers that I bought from VEVOR. Well, the brand name is VEVOR, but I bought them off of Amazon, and I wanted to have them specifically if I needed them. Currently, if I get water in the basement, I use conventional fans. And when I started looking at the pricing, and then I started looking at, you know, the right tool for the right job, these are made more for that purpose than a round fan, and will deliver the air where properly needed. So I decided to invest in these. Here's the specs of the small air blower. Here's the specs of the large air blower. Now the orange blower here on the right is the model number VV-FXZGFJ1450. Now when I bought it, they were $62.59. I think they went up to about $79 a piece now, and I'm real happy with it. And I'm also gonna show how many amps these use while running. The orange unit is a 1/4 horsepower with a maximum 1000 CFM, and it has 3 adjustable airflow options. At low it's 600, medium is 800, and at high is 1000 CFM. The blower that you see on the left is model number CL-750-M2, and when I bought it, and it's still the same price that I see, $186.90 each, and it is a 1 horsepower 4000 CFM, and it has 3 adjustable airflow positions. I couldn't find what the position 1 and 2 are, but at 3 is at the stated 4000 CFM maximum cubic feet per minute airflow. Now the orange unit that you see here has 215 volt outlets built into them, here and here, and this enables you to connect multiple air movers in a series. Per VEVOR, you're allowed up to 4 of these units plugged in, so all of them running in, piggybacked, running at the same time, so you can position them in different ways. I've seen them where they're stacked up with this down, and you've got 4 of them stacked up in a vertical, or you could have them horizontal like this and just spread out, whatever you may require. The power cord on the orange unit is 10 foot, and it has a 14 American wire gauge cord. Now if you want, this has a 3-hour timer function, and you would just turn it here to 60, 120, or 180, or anywhere in between, and it would shut off on its own. I've not used that function yet, so but I have turned it on, and it you know, just to make sure, but like I said, I really don't use that function. And then down here is where you have your off, 1, 2 medium, and 3 maximum blowing power. Nice click stops, so it's nice, and they're not, you know exactly where it's going to be. The dimensions of this unit, as stated on the website, are 13 inches deep, 10.2 inches wide, and 13 inches high. The weight is 11 pounds. Now, as to this big beast here, it has a 24-foot cord that is an 18 American wire gauge cord. And again, that's a lot of cord, and so this allows you to place it wherever you might want from your outlet. This also has the same 3-hour timer. It's out of the field here, up here, and then it's got the 3 positions: off, 1 low, 2 medium, and 3 high. And again, the nice click stops, nice and positive. You know where you're at. The dimensions of this are 19.3 inches deep, 15.8 inches wide, and 19 inches high. And this comes in at a whopping 29.5 pounds. Now, I thought it was worth investing in these because if you take a look to see on this big one what it costs to rent if you needed it. And here's the other thing. When you need to rent one of these, so does a bunch of other people, who knows how many, and you'll never be able to rent it when you need it right away to get that water dissipated. I remember years ago we had a very bad ice storm. It was on Valentine's Day, and I had several trees. There were smaller trees at the time that were totally damaged, so I wanted to rent a chainsaw. Well, you couldn't. I ended up having to buy one. Of course, I took the trees down and returned it because I didn't need it. But that's the point, is when you're going to need this, so are a lot of other people, and the rent on these are fairly expensive. And if you're going to use them for several days, you may as well just, in my opinion, just buy them. But everybody's got their own opinion on that. And as an example of what I was talking about, this is Home Depot. You can see what the rental rates are for 1 unit. And you're going to need several. So it's showing $32 a day, but you're probably going to need, I don't know, depending on, I've got a good sized basement. But, you know, you certainly wouldn't want to just get one in most cases. But again, each case will be different. Now, if we take a look, the cord length on this is only 15 feet. Is that a major issue? No, not really. And then when we look at the maximum air flow, cubic feet per minute, this is saying 40. There's got to be something wrong there. There's no way that this is just 40. I'm not sure what that is. But it's got to be more than 40 CFM. Now, as you can see, they've got nice rubber feet. And they've got 4 on the bottom, and then up here they have 2 up there, and we'll show you the reason for that. And here's a close-up of those rubber feet that are on these units. So you can adjust this at multiple angles. Now, one of the things it's got is down below, and it likes to come, doesn't really stay, but it's got this bar that lifts up so that you've actually got 4 different angled positions that this can be, you know, instead of just like this, you can go like that, like this, and up. In here you see the squirrel cage construction of the fan that allows the air to be exhausted through these vents. Now this thing is a beast. It actually has a handle that collapses like luggage, and it is on wheels. I've not taken there. They even have a little plastic on there, well, cellophane, to protect it during shipping. I haven't taken it off yet. Another thing that I really like about both units is this handle. Very comfortable, and it also acts as a place to wind your cord around, both the bottom of this and then around the back side of the handle. Very comfortable when picking up the unit. Nice firm grip. You can get around that. It's not too big and it's not too small. Okay guys, so as to this beast unit here, you have horizontal with sitting on all 4 feet. You have the kickstand that places it up, or if you want, facing all the way up so that this is pointing towards 90 straight up, then you would just place it directly on the back side here with the wheels and the handle, so that this would now be facing straight up. Alright, so since they're saying that you can piggyback 4 of these together, let's see how many amps first one takes. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. So I've got all 4 of these piggyback. They're all going to run. They're all going to be on the fastest fan setting of 3. And so I will plug this in and we will see how many amps it requires for 4 of these to run at the highest setting. Let's see how many amps this draws on each one of the settings. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. And you can certainly use these blowers for anywhere you want air circulation, cooling, ventilation, or drying.